Hey guys, what's happening? How to hide following list on Instagram. So there is no direct way to hide following list, but instead what you can do, you can turn your account from a public to a private account. So click the three bars at the top right, scroll a bit down, the account privacy, and then turn on the private account. And if you switch into a private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you. No one can reuse your content. So if you want to switch to private, just hit switch. And now you're gonna be able to lock also your following list. And unless they follow you first or request to follow you and you approve them, they will not be able to access your followers or following list. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.